All right, Gabe, so where are we going?
So we have a survey in Bridgeton.
Ah, my hometown.
That's right. Figured because you know it so well, we'd bring you along.
That sounds fun. At least we're finally getting good weather.
Moose Pond, so that's a fun one.
So are we in Denmark or Bridgeton?
I think in Bridgeton.
Ah, okay.
We'll plug it into the map.
Well, at least
see.
no wind or rain today.
Have you gone in the canoe yet?
I haven't.
Well,
Is today gonna be the day?
I might make you go in the canoe.
Oh, there's a first for everything. Hey, Dustin, it's Gretta.
Hi.
Do you know what we're trying to do? Do you remember? It's just a dock, right?
She's unsure of what her water depths are.
Uh-huh.
And we're trying to replace a large wooden dock that's there.
Okay.
She wants to know how far out she needs to go to be able to safely get her boat to the dock there. We're thinking of going out either, 2 or 3 10-foot sections, but we don't know exactly how far out we need to.
Yeah, I'll check it while I'm out there.
I'm going in the canoe, buddy.
Uh-oh. Hands, Greta.
All right, I'll be safe.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Definitely Ethan size or Gabe size. Men.
So we will be, oh gosh, ADHD, really bad. So we're trying to make sure that this customer's boat can fit on their dock. They have some boating needs, and we're here to make that happen. Mosquitoes.
It's gonna be an upgrade.
It's gonna be an upgrade. So
Fingers crossed, everything goes well. Where did that one come from?
Anybody who's is probably in the binder. Right when the, here, I'll throw it, ready?
Yep.
Right when the, oh, good catch.
Ooh.
All right, throw it right there.
All right.
If you measure right from where that landed, that'll be perfect.
Right here?
Right on the, if you put it right to the edge of that, yeah. And then it'll be your turn.
Okay.
It's pretty deep already. So I pull out what I want before I go to it.
So then you're not trying to struggle out
I
there.
put my knee on it. Oh, man, they're bad.
I know, they're in my hair.
There is a spider in here that I saw, but it's probably harmless.
I hope it's not there. I don't like spiders.
Ooh. If you don't like spiders,
But I can do it. All right, I'll watch you get out and then I'll...
yeah, and I'm gonna get out right where you are, so if you wanna, yeah. Just be really careful. Again, same idea, you don't wanna put your weight, oh, that's tough, okay, hang on.
Okay.
It's just slippery, so you gotta be really careful. Use your hands. Grab that bar first with your left hand,
Okay.
and then reach across the other side. Like, you might have to get one leg in. And then, like, put your weight on your hands, And there you go. And you do have a tick on your right leg calf back, right at the crease of your leg. Right on, is that a tick?
It's gone now.
Okay.
All right, so just...
Now you're good. You're good, you're good.
The spiders!
You're
Hold
good.
on, let me just get past it.
Just use the paddle, use the paddle.
Oh my God, that was huge!
Yeah. Use your
All right,
paddle.
hold on, party waves.
Go into the waves.
We got
Oh,
party
boy.
waves. You guys have to remember, I'm a office princess, typically.
Yeah, just send it straight down. There you go, there you go. Then you feel the bottom. You feel the bottom?
I
Make
feel
sure it doesn't curl. So you want to hit
It
it
curled.
straight at an angle.
Let me try again.
And when you're doing it, just make sure that
Okay.
okay, now get the measurement.
4 feet,
4 feet.
just like you had.
So perfect. And you have to account for the wind. So the wind is pushing you this way, right?
Yeah.
So when you get to where you're going, go to the right a little bit. So by the time you, oh, butterfly. Yellow swallowtail. They're very pretty. There you go.
All right.
Nice job.
I am a Mainer. Not only can I sell docks, but I can measure
That's right.
for the docks.
Do you want to get out over here?
I think that's gonna be best. I'm gonna try to do it the same way you did.
Oh, do you see why don't we get out at the stump right there with the spiders on it? Sometimes you do need a hand getting out of the canoe. It can be, this is the unsafe part. Yeah, and put your foot here.
Okay. Oh, I did it.
Nice job. Those spiders were pretty big.
Yeah.
And they jump right out at you when you're in that canoe.
Are you afraid of spiders like me, or do you love them? Let us know in the comments what you think.
All right, let's go get lunch.
All right.